I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a deleted Canva project even if you think it's gone forever. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access Canva's auto recovery feature, restore your deleted projects, and get right back to designing without losing your progress. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, go to your Canva homepage. On the top left corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open the main menu. A sidebar will appear on your screen. Now scroll down to the very bottom and click Trash. This will take you to a new page where all your recently deleted projects are stored. Take a moment to look through the list. When you find the project you want to recover, hover your cursor over it. You'll see 3 dots appear in the upper right corner of that project. Click those dots, then select Restore. Canva will automatically move the file back to your main projects page, fully recovered and ready to edit again. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to recover deleted projects in Canva, how to use the trash section to restore them, and how to make sure you never lose your designs again. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.